Let's see how you can actually boost the followers growth on Instagram, capture more leads, and make more sales using a simple Instagram story DM automation. All right, so here I'm in a demo account. So if you want to build the Instagram story automations or Instagram automations, first of all you need to connect your Instagram account right here. So here in this demo account we have connected Democratic Media Instagram account. So if you're wondering how to connect your own Instagram account on your own accounts, go to channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings channels, where you can actually choose the Instagram channel right here and simply log in with your Instagram account. Make sure all these permissions are allowed and simply connect it. So here this is the guide. So you will see this connect button. Make sure all the permissions are allowed over here. All right, click on allow and then simply choose your Instagram account and connect it. That's it. So it will take just a few seconds for you to connect your Instagram account right here. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations on Instagram. So our platform is actually approved by the Meta, so you can actually build automations on Instagram without any fear. All right, so here if you go to the marketing tools over here, you can find the Instagram story automations over here. So build a strong relationship with your followers by automatically replying to the people that responded to your story. So here if I share my phone screen, Democratic Media, so let me see the story we have posted. So this is the story look like. Get my free ebook on Instagram marketing, DM ebook now. So here it asks them to DM the specific keyword ebook to get the free ebook right there. So this is a story posted just for the demo. So now let's see how to connect the Instagram story automation to a specific flow to offer the free ebook as well. So here if I go to the flow section, you can find the free template right there, all free templates. So you can locate this one, get more Instagram followers and leads. So we can use this one right there. So let me rename or duplicate this one and make a copy of that specific template and then rename this one to our needs. So for example, let me rename this one as IG stories, this one. All right, click continue. So let's see how this flow looks like. So let me open the flow right here. So this is how the flow looks like. So here the first message, hey, first name, this is a free ebook, would you like to receive it? So if they tap on get my free ebook, we can then check whether they actually follow your Instagram account right there. So if they are following, we simply ask them to provide their email address. Suppose if they are not following, we simply send them a message saying this free ebook is only available only for the followers. Please follow to get the ebook now. So ask them to follow first, and then if they say I'm following now, we will again check whether they update the contact of the Instagram and then check whether they actually following your account or not. And if they are following now, then we will ask for their email address and then provide the ebook right there in the Instagram DM. And here we can also send emails within the platform as well using the send email action as well. So here we are sending them the email, and here we added a follow-up of 23 hours. So it will wait 23 hours right from the specific message and then send them a message again next day asking whether they actually check the ebook and what are their thoughts as well. And from here, if you want to promote any sort of paid offers, you can do that in the specific 23-hour message as well. Add the specific link to purchase any sort of paid offers or other things as well. All right, so let me make sure this published. So it's published. I use stories, get more Instagram followers and leads. All right, so now let me go to the marketing tools over here, open the Instagram story automations and create a new one, and let me say ebook. All right, so let me say ebook, and here you can have the option to choose all stories as well. So you don't need to build the automation again and again. You can set up a specific keyword right there. So for example, ebook, and if you choose all stories, it will work on all the stories as well, as long as all if they send the specific keyword as well. But if you want to choose a specific story, you can do that. Specific stories, select story, and this is the only story we have. Select this story right there, continue. All right, and here you have to reply with, you can, if you want just a quick DM, you can directly type the specific DM and send it. But in this case, we want to use the specific free template flow right there. So choose flow option and select the IG stories, get more Instagram followers and leads. So this is the flow right there we have from the free template. So all temporary templates, and here IG stories, get more Instagram followers. All right, so that was the flow I want to send them when they type the specific keyword. All right, so let me click on save over here, So it has been saved and active as well. So it hasn't sent any sort of responses yet. Otherwise it will update the replies as well. So now let's test how this actually works. So let me go to the flow section, open the all free templates. The first, this is the flow message look like, and this is the first message. So let me share my phone screen over here. And as you can see here, I'm not following this demo Chatting Media account. So let's test how this actually works. So let me say ebook. Alright, I send a keyword. So now let's see what happens. So we will receive the first message as set up right here, and then we will receive the next messages. So here it says here about free ebook is here. Tap the button below to access it. So here if I tap on this button, get my free ebook, it will go directly to check whether they are actually following this account or not, and from there it will send messages. So in this case I'm not following the account, so here it will say you looks like you are not following the account. Simple as that. So it says you are not following, so you're not yet ready to get the free ebook. So let me go to the account right here, profile, follow this account. All right, I'm just following. Now go to message option, and let's say I am following now. So now it will check again and see if they are following. It will simply ask them to provide the email address right there. Awesome. What's the best email to send your free ebook? So here let me provide the email address as well, chatmedia@gmail.com. all right, and then it will provide direct access to the ebook right there in the DMs, and also send them an email as well. So perfect, here's your ebook, and in 8 seconds it will send this message right there for the specific user. And if they tap on this button, they can directly access the ebook as well. So what you can do is you can upload this specific ebook in a Google or iCloud Drive and share the direct link as well for them. And here we should have received an email as well with the specific task subject saying your free Instagram growth ebook is here, pre-header, and along with the specific content as well. So let's test if we have received the email as well. So here let me share my phone screen. So here this is the email I received. Your free Instagram growth ebook is here, demo, and all these details. Download now button, and it's actually sent from test@chattingmedia to chattingmedia@gmail.com. So if you go to the settings, so here and in channels you can see we have connected test@chattingmedia email as well. So using the SMTP, it's sending the emails in our flow builder as well. So if you go to the unified inbox, you can track all these conversations happened right here. So this from the Instagram, you see all these chats happened right here, and you can also check the previous chat histories as well. All right, so they reply to the story, all these things. And from here also agent can easily send any sort of messages, and you can also use the native appointment manager to create appointments for the specific user as well. So you can select a specific calendar. You can either send the calendar link to the user to book the appointment, or you can go to the calendar and book appointments on your users as well. So once you have appointments booked, you can access those appointments right here in the appointment tab as well. And that's a quick video on how you can actually build Instagram story automations. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.